How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create a new Python project in VS Code. So basically VS Code also supports Python, but you have to make sure that Python is installed to your device. Now from here, you want to click File, click on the new file, or of course, you could also select a new window if you want to. And generally, you could just select any name you want to. So let's do something like Python. And if you want to specifically create a new Python file or project, you then want to follow up with a py. This is basically the file name for the Python project. So hit on enter. And basically it will then be saved as a Python project or a Python file. Click create file. And from here, you should be good to go. We could generate or create our code the way we want to. But if you want to create a new project, of course, you could just navigate through, once again, the file option. And then right after, you could basically open up the file for your Python, or you could open up a workspace if you want to. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.